This is a Webquest to help you develop a better understanding of how the Earth's tilt produces the yearly seasons. After exploring all the resources, you will be able to explain how Earth's tilt and speed of rotation affect climate, specifically average daily temperature and amount of daylight, describe the position of the Earth relative to the Sun at the vernal equinox, the summer solstice, the autumnal equinox, and the winter solstice, how latitude and longitude are used to locate any point on the Earth, predict seasonal temperature ranges and hours of daylight when given a geographic location indicating proximity to the equator. Now, before you get started on the Webquest, I want to give you a couple of tips about how to navigate through it. The first, on the left, you'll see a list of menu items. Each one of these items links you to a page in the Webquest. The first is Task, Process, Evaluation, Conclusion, Credits, the Teacher page, and then additional information and links. Let's take a look at the Task page first. The task is what you'll be doing at the completion of your Webquest. At the end of this Webquest, you will be producing a PowerPoint or Prezi presentation displaying the information that you've learned through the Webquest. At the bottom of the task page, you'll see a link to an evaluation page. This evaluation page contains a rubric for grading your presentation. At the bottom of the page, you'll see two yellow arrows. These yellow arrows are found throughout the Webquest and provide links both backwards and forwards through the pages. Now let's take a look at the process page. Here on the process page, you'll find icons linked in a vertical way. Each one of these icons is a link to a separate section of the Webquest. The first time you go through the Webquest, you should progress from top to bottom of the process page. But after that, if you need to go back to any particular section, review any material in the process of creating your presentation, feel free to do it in any order that you like. At the end of the Webquest, remember, you'll be producing a presentation. This presentation will be graded according to a rubric. Remember, the rubric is found on the evaluation page. Here you'll see the rubric, and at the bottom of the page there's also a link to download the rubric in case you want to take a closer look at it offline. Now that you've had a quick look at the Webquest and you've learned a little bit about how to navigate, it's time to get started. Good luck, I hope you learn a lot, and I hope you enjoy the process.